Do you dread sourcing and processing your aircraft part repairs? You have hundreds of options in locations all over the world. You may have even been tricked into sending your parts in for repair and come to find out the repair partner is unreliable, unresponsive, and their pricing and their turnaround times are incredibly unpredictable, and their turnaround times sporadic. Despite all of the options, there are some tall tale signs that you can look for to indicate that you're dealing with a repair shop that won't let you down. A critical point that won't let you and your operation down. It's not just about quality, even though quality is incredibly important. That's a given. That should be done every single time. But it's even more important about their business practices, right? The things that they value the most as a business. Things like openness, honesty, and flexibility. I'm going to walk you through step by step and how to choose the right aircraft part repair station for you and your operation. These are the critical things that you need to factor in when choosing the next repair station to work with. And it's an easy document, and you don't have to spend too much time looking at it. Stay tuned, and what I want you to do, if you want to get ahead of the game, all you have to do is go to join.skylinkintl.com/repair-report, and I'll give you everything that you need to do to choose your next repair station.